Plant FAQs. Musa Florida Variegated Banana Plant. Musa Florida. Unveiling the beauty of the variegated banana. Hi, Ferbvu here. For those who crave a touch of the tropics indoors, the Musa Florida might be your perfect match. This stunning plant, also known as the variegated banana, boasts vibrant green foliage splashed with creamy white variegation, transforming any space into a lush oasis. But before you bring this tropical wonder home, let's delve into some frequently asked questions about the Musa Florida. See more 86 species in genus Musa at monsteraholic.com. Absolutely. The Musa Florida belongs to the Musa genus, which encompasses all true banana plants. However, unlike its fruit-bearing cousins, the Musa Florida is primarily prized for its ornamental value. Its stunning variegated leaves are the true stars of the show. What makes the Musa Florida special? Beyond its captivating looks, the Musa Florida offers several unique advantages. Air purification. Like many houseplants, the Musa Florida helps purify the air by removing common pollutants. Humidity booster. This tropical beauty thrives in humid environments and helps increase ambient humidity levels, which can be beneficial for respiratory health. Conversation starter. The stunning foliage of the Musa Florida is sure to grab attention and spark conversations. What are the light requirements for a Musa Florida? The Musa Florida thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. East-facing windows are ideal, providing ample morning light without the afternoon sun's intensity. How often should I water my Musa Florida? The Musa Florida enjoys consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. During the winter months, you may need to adjust your watering frequency depending on the temperature and humidity levels. Does the Musa Florida need fertilizer? A balanced, diluted fertilizer can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, to encourage healthy growth. However, over-fertilization can damage the plant. Opt for a slow-release fertilizer or dilute a liquid fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. What is the ideal temperature and humidity for a Musa Florida? The Musa Florida thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or drafts. As for humidity, these plants prefer a moderately humid environment, 50 to 60%. If your home is on the dry side, consider using a humidifier or placing your Musa Florida on a pebble tray filled with water. How big does a Musa Florida get? The Musa Florida can grow to be quite sizable indoors, reaching heights of 6 to 8 feet, 1.8 to 2.4 meters, under ideal conditions. To maintain a manageable size, you can prune the occasional leaf. Musa Florida versus Bird of Paradise. While both plants boast vibrant foliage, the Musa Florida and Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae, are distinct species. The Musa Florida features broad, variegated leaves, while the Bird of Paradise has upright, Bird of Paradise-like flowers and narrower, non-variegated leaves. Additionally, the Bird of Paradise tolerates lower light conditions compared to the Musa Florida. Musa Florida versus other indoor banana plants. Many Musa cultivars are available, each with its unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison. Musa acuminata zebrina. This variety boasts striking zebra-like stripes on its leaves. Musa red tiger. This cultivar features reddish-purple markings on its green leaves. Musa dwarf cavendish. This compact variety is perfect for those with limited space. Common Musa Florida problems. Browning leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient light. Pest infestation. Mealybugs and spider mites are common culprits. Regular inspection and insecticidal soap can help. Yellowing leaves. This can be a natural part of the aging process or a sign of nutrient deficiency. Musa Florida propagation. The Musa Florida can be propagated by division or by removing pups, baby plants, that emerge at the base of the mother plant. With proper care, your Musa Florida will reward you with years of lush, tropical beauty. So, why not bring a touch of the tropics into your home and experience the joy of caring for this unique and captivating plant?